All right, so we're going to go over some quadratic things. Okay, so I'm going to do the first example for you, and then you're going to do the rest on your own. So number one, first it wants the vertex. Remember, your vertex is the very highest or very lowest point. So it's this point right here. Where's that at? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's at -4. -4, and then down 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's -4, -4. That's where our vertex is. Is it a maximum or a minimum? Maximum means it's the highest point. Minimum means it's the lowest. This one has a lowest point, so it's a minimum. Now for domain, remember, domain is left to right. Okay, domain is left to right. So how far left is this going to go? Forever. How far right? Forever. So the domain is all real numbers. Okay. For range, remember that range is from bottom to top. Okay, range is from bottom to top. So how far down does it go? -4. And then how high up does it go? The arrows, it goes forever. So you don't need to put anything. Okay, you can put to infinity, but you don't have to. Okay. Axis of symmetry, remember it's that line that goes straight through the center to split it up into equal parts, and that's crossing through here at -4. So the axis of symmetry is x equals -4. You must have the x equals part because it is a line. So it needs to have x equals. Now you're looking for the solutions. Remember R, O, X, S. Roots, zeros, x-intercepts, solutions are all the same thing. So solutions are the x-intercepts. Okay, where are they at? 1, 2. So you have it at -2. And 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And -6. Okay, -2, -6. Then we're looking for our y-intercept. That's where it crosses through the y-axis. If this line keeps going, it's going to cross through here at 9. So the y-intercept is 0, 9. Okay, so that's what you're going to do for the rest of this paper, and then you have 2 multiple choice questions on the back as well. Once you finish, go get your STAAR folder and your STAAR booklet, do your STAAR test corrections so that you can make a 100 on your quiz tomorrow. Good luck, guys. Let me know if you need any help.